outdoor microphone samples of true wireless earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will be looking at a handful of true wireless earbuds and how the microphone performs in an outdoor setting. Many of you have commented and want to know how they sound in a noisy environment. Hopefully this video provides some good insight. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's begin. I will be looking at 9 earbuds. The first set has a similar design and form factor to the Apple AirPods, and the rest are your typical design. The Apple AirPods 2, JLab Air Executives, SoundPEATS True Capsule, Treblab X5, JBuds Air Icon, Creative Outlier Air, TRANYA T1 Pro, Mpow T5, and Sabbat E12. The setting will be in a park with fountains and water streaming around. This should provide a consistent noise level so we can compare them equally. This is an outdoor test of the Apple AirPods microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the JBuds Air Executive microphone, an outdoor test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the SoundPEATS True Capsule microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is an outdoor test. Next up is the Treblab X5 True Wireless Earbuds. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now the JLab Air Icon. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is the audio from the JLab Air Icon. This is a microphone test of the Creative Outlier Air earbuds, an outdoor test. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test of the TRANYA T1 Pro microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. TRANYA T1 Pro. Next up is the Mpow T5. This is a test of the Mpow T5 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. And finally, the Sabbat E12. This is an outdoor test of the microphone for the Sabbat E12. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. So there you have it. Hopefully you heard the difference. I'll leave it up to you now to decide which sounded better. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.